Oh shit, dude. Look at my guy, dude, out here. This is lit. I'm hyped.
I like it.
Drives good.
Yeah, it drives pretty good.
Is that turbo good?
Yeah. Turbo perfect.
We just got to the shop. That thing fucking runs mint. The turbo's dumb loud too, so that's good. Also saw my messes coming outside to play, I guess. Ugh. Got my Rotella 15W40. If anyone says not to fucking run this, so help me, because this is, I literally only bought this because every one of you fuckers told me to buy this shit. H22. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. We'll see. She's in there all right, though. Well, welcome to the freaking video. As you can hear, that's Ronnie's Subaru running that he's been working on. So I'm gonna try my hardest to get this thing up and going. And if not today, then the very next video it will be started. But today I have to do the harness. I want to like plug all the harness shit in. Put all the exhaust back on, meaning like the turbo and stuff and the downpipe. There's quite a bit to do. I forgot that damn coolant line, the heater hose in Callie's car, so I can't freaking do that. So I can't put like water in it, or well, I definitely can't put water in it because it's winter, but yeah, fall's definitely over. But I can't put coolant in it or whatever because the line goes like right there. You can see that in the shadow. Goes from there to the valve for the heater. So yeah, like I said, I can't do that, and so I definitely couldn't drive it, but I probably could have started it if I had if I remembered to get a damn oil filter, and no one's around these parts right now. I will update you guys when I make some progress here, because I gotta make some progress, and I can't really film, you know, much of this because it's, you know, same shit you guys have seen. So yeah, I'll be back. Oh, wait. Yes. Very nice. I'm a fucking pro. Alright, so obviously I got some stuff done. Josh is here.
What up,
this dude hasn't been around in a while. Had to come through and check out my maybe good engine or not. But so I spent the last hour and a half that's something I probably could have done before making this clip. Alright, so I'm just gonna talk and do this at the same time. I spent the last hour and a half. Who the fuck is interrupting me? Fuck off. 877. Anyways, so I plugged the injectors in. All the sensors are plugged in, I think. IAC, MAP, TPS, IAC. I didn't do anything underneath there. I still need to do the heater line that goes to the water crossover. I still have to do the oil pressure sensor and NOx sensor. They both have to be plugged in down there. But over here, everything is plugged in. Starter's on. Transmission needs fluid. I need to put these things on. And yeah, I don't know. I got a good amount to do, but by the way, that was this. I didn't fart. I don't know why I put this on, because I'd have to put my downpipe on, but yes, no. Oh, and I have to do my fucking alternator. There's a good amount of stuff I still have to do. That's the update, but we're getting there. Boom, and we're back 27 minutes later with the new shit oil filter. You know, if it filters, it filters. They actually had the line in stock, although it was $27, which kind of sucks. And I have some freaking AutoZone coolant, because, you know, and it's not non-diluted, so it won't, you know, crack my block and ruin things for me. Let me just make sure. Oh yeah, that's the fucking one. That's the one right there. I need to find some clamps for this, but I'm not really worried about the coolant right now. I just want to see if the thing starts and doesn't blow up. So yeah, all I gotta do now, oil filter, put oil in it. No, just to start it, I'm just starting it out of the turbo. I don't care. I'm not even putting like this shit on yet. My goal for tonight is just to get the fucking thing started. Oil drain for the turbo. Oil in it. That in it. Oh yeah, knock sensor, oil pressure sensor, and it should start.
They're fucking tight.
Yeah, so I'm kind of shitting right now because this is like my first full build. And I just really, of all things, I hope I timed it right. I timed it how I always do, but it's equally nerve-wracking every fucking time. Whether or not I, know it's okay. So, everything's on there, oil's in it. I don't have an O2 sensor obviously right now because, oh, you know what? See, this is a good thing. Put my fuel return over here, Should probably have that on. Everything should be okay. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to start it just open turbo right now to make sure everything is okay, because if I have to take anything apart, I'm going to be pretty pissed off if I have to take the exhaust off, because that's honestly the worst part out of all this shit. Is just like, to me anyway, the most annoying part is jacking the car up and taking the exhaust off. But battery's connected. Hopefully it's not dead. I don't know, here. Just hold that. Stand back, don't fucking get too close to it. I don't even really trust it, to be honest. Hoping for consistent things.
You gotta prime it? You gonna prime it?
No, because I gotta prime the oil pump anyway, so if it doesn't start right away, that's okay, because I need to get some oil in there.
Yeah.
I think it's backfiring through that, but it's running. Popping because my O2 sensor, this gauge is broken, so I don't know. Holy shit. So that is a massive, yeah, how are we looking over here for oil drips?
No leakage.
No leakage?
No leakage.
Oh, dude, that's success in my fucking book right there. Oh, man. What a relief. Sounds like ass, I know, because it was coming out of this hole right here, right?
Yeah.
He scared me. He's like, yo, where do you think the flame's coming out of? I'm like, the turbo? Like, I was really hoping he wasn't like, yeah, nah, the flame was coming out of here. I think you did something wrong. It's running like a K-Series, dude, front to back. All right, cool. Well, shit, I forgot to get motor oil for the fucking tranny. Whatever. I'll figure that out tomorrow. I'm going to need to get a ride from somebody. But, yeah, so it runs. It doesn't leak. It pops because I don't have my O2 sensor on it, and it doesn't know what to do with itself, so it's probably running a little bit rich. Yeah, but it idled normal. It was doing its normal, like, open loop warm up, like 1300 RPM. And yeah, so I'm pretty hype. Although I may not seem it, just I'm kind of pissed off because this whole thing sucks. I've had no car for like 2 months. I've paid insurance on this thing for 2 months and I haven't driven it. So now that I know that the thing fucking starts and doesn't blow up, like I said, I was most nervous about me not timing it right because I literally did it like in the air when it was hanging by the chain. But I guess I did all right. So check the belt tension. We're good. Gucci. We're mint. All right, that's the end of this freaking video. Tomorrow I will be putting the rest of this thing together, putting it on the ground and driving this bitch. And maybe I'll hit up Ronnie to come through after he gets out of work so we can do some street tuning. And then at some point I'm gonna have to hit a dyno and just get this thing like dialed. Maybe me and Ronnie will just rent some dyno time with my buddies over by the old shop. Yeah, so I'm hyped. You guys should probably be hyped, maybe. Success, right? It's always a good feeling when this is the first time I've completely taken apart an engine, like crank and all, and it started up and it was good. And like I said, when I first did that, usually what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to crank it over a little bit to get the get the oil pump full of oil. But I knew because I took my gas line off, obviously, that it was going to take a while, so I just kept cranking it. And that in itself primed it, and then it started. And then it went poof, 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 poof. So yeah, I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and deuces.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace.